Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm going to use the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use 3 shades out of it. I'm going to take that first shade and put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take the second shade and put that all over my lids. And then the third shade I'm going to put on the outer part of my eyes, like on the end parts of my eyes. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really help my channel and I really appreciate it. For lashes, I'm going to use the Lily Lashes in Radiant and the Duo Lash Glue. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Camel Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I have that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Eye Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline. I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. And I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to take the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the setting powder to set where I have that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm going to switch up and use the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. And I haven't used this in a long time. I forgot how much I love it. And how it's great to be used for all over face powder. Now I'm going to use the You Can Be Starry palette, and I'm going to take that glitter shade and put that on the inner corners of my eyes. For blush, I'm going to use the Beauty Bay Blush in Coral. To highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Chameleons highlighter in 2 Serious, and I love how holographic it is and just, you know, how good it looks on the skin. So if you're looking for affordable highlighter, new highlighter to try out, I would definitely recommend this one. For lips, I'm using the AOA Studio Lip Pop Lip Gloss and also the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this warm amber eyeshadow look with a subtle twist. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate it and it will really help my channel. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as on my social media handles. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.